How to change bundle price on Vinted. Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how you can change the bundle price of an item or the price of a bundle on Vinted. So kindly follow the steps I will show you in this tutorial. The first thing to do is to log in into your Vinted account. Once you're logged in, you will be brought to your Vinted page. On this page, you would see different options or different things that you can get on Vinted. And then the next step or the next thing to do is to move to the right side of the screen, click on your profile icon and click on your profile in order to locate your listings. So once you're your listings, your profiles page, you can see your profile name, reviews, etc. Then the next step is to select the bundle whose price you would want to change. Currently, I don't have any bundle. I only have listings, but just follow the procedures that I'll be showing you or explaining to you in this video. So the next step is to click on the bundle that you've created already. After clicking on the bundle, you'll be taken to the details page, just like when you click on your listings and they are taken to the listings page. So also when you click on bundle, you're taken to the page, and by the right side you'll see details about the page, and then you'll see the option edit listing under hide. Click on it and then you'll be taken to the editing page. On this page you can see different details about the bundle, and then you can see price. So just go ahead, edit the price, and once you're done, click on save, and just like that, the price of that bundle would be changed. So this is how you can change the price of a bundle on Vinted. It is very simple, very quick and easy, and sure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.